In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten Microsoft Forms link. If you've ever tried to share a Microsoft Forms survey or quiz and ended up with a long, clunky URL, this walkthrough will show you how to turn it into a short, clean link that's perfect for emails, social media, or printed materials. It's quick, built right into Microsoft Forms, and doesn't require any extra tools. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your web browser and signing in if prompted. Once you're on your Forms dashboard, decide whether you want to share a shortened link for a survey or a quiz. Both work exactly the same way. Locate the form you want to share. In the example shown, the form is named Animal, but you can select any form from your list, including those in My Forms or Shared with Me. Click to open that form so you're on its design or overview page. At the top of the screen, look for the option labeled Collect Responses. Depending on your layout or theme, it's typically in the upper right area and may also appear as the share button with the same purpose. Go ahead and click Collect Responses. This opens a panel that contains your shareable link and other ways to distribute your form. Before shortening the link, quickly confirm the audience setting that appears above the link, such as anyone can respond or only people in your organization can respond. This determines who can actually use the link. Choose the setting that matches your needs so you don't share a link people can't open. Now, in that same panel, look for the Shorten URL option. It's a simple toggle or button that converts the long web address into a concise one, usually in the format forms.office.com/r, followed by a short code. Click Shorten URL, and you'll see the link immediately shrink to a much tidier version that's easier to share and remember. With the shortened link displayed, click Copy Link. This places the shortened URL on your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere: email, chat, social posts, documents, or even a QR code generator if you're creating posters. If you need to distribute your form through other channels, the same panel also includes options like sending via email or embedding on a site. But the core steps for shortening and copying the link are now complete. That's all there is to it. Open your form, go to Collect Responses, shorten the URL, and copy it. With this small adjustment, your Microsoft Forms links will look professional and be much easier for people to use. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.